Have you ever heard the adage? At first I wasted time. Now time wastes me. Are there dreams you have harbored for years that are still unfulfilled? Do you wish your life had turned out different and you repeatedly say, "If only I had done this or that, my life would be so much better"? Did you ever have a brilliant idea, but not the money to bring it to reality? It is never too late. Wish or dream may be just the answer you have been looking for. Only the bold would be daring enough to think outside the box, to create new and innovative solutions to seemingly complex problems. Share your ideas, dreams, or wishes with us, and allow our team to scrutinize these desires. Remember, it takes true innovators and entrepreneurs to be the leaders of tomorrow. Visit WishOrDream.com for guidance.